Welcome to Bright Scholarship official channel. Today we are going to talk about Fulbright scholarship in United States of America. This scholarship is fully funded for master's and PhD degree. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Bright Scholarship official channel and click the bell icon button to get the latest updates from our channel. Now we discuss the Fulbright scholarship details. Fulbright Scholarship 2021 is available for master's and PhD degree. This is fully funded scholarship and all international students are eligible to apply for this scholarship. The last date for Fulbright scholarship is 15th July 2020. Now we check the benefits of this scholarship. Because this is a free funded scholarship, so it will cover all the necessary expenses. Complete tuition fee, textbook, airfare tickets, living allowance, health insurance, visa fee, computer and settling allowance. The Fulbright awards enable grantees to live at the same standard as most American graduate students. Now we discuss the available study fields for Fulbright scholarship. All disciplines are eligible except for clinical medicine. For example, energy, water, agriculture, public health, education, social sciences, journalism and mass communication, arts and culture, management, including heritage conservation and museum studies, urban and regional planning, environmental science studies, security, peace studies, and data science are strongly encouraged to apply. Now we discuss the eligibility criteria for Fulbright scholarship. For master degree program, a 4-year bachelor degree and master's combination totaling 16 years of formal education from an accredited university. Recent graduates are strongly encouraged to apply except for MBA and public policy administration applicants who require 2 years of work experience. For PhD degree, a master's, MPhil or complete degree, minimum of 18th year of formal education from an accredited university. It is highly desirable that candidates have work experience in teaching, research or the public sector in Pakistan. For both the master and PhD programs, all academic disciplines are eligible except clinical medicine. The Graduate Record Examination (GRE) is required for all applicants under the new scoring system. Minimum score of 138 in the verbal and 136 in the quantitative sections are required. Applicant must also possess a high level of fluency in spoken and written English. The test of English as a foreign language TOEFL will be required from all the selected candidates. Application procedure. The applicants must need to submit an online application form and upload all the required documents which will be given in the application form. The links are given below. Official link is here and apply link is here. This link is only for Pakistani students. For other country students, you have to find out your country website. For this, click on this link. Clicking here you can find your country. This link is only for Pakistani students. By clicking here, you will start the application. After that, you have to log in into this website by providing your credentials if you already have. Otherwise, click on start new application. Here you have to provide your email, then your national identity card number, This is for Pakistani students. You have to provide for your country accordingly. Then submit. To find a country, you have to select first of all your region. For example, East Asia Pacific countries. Click on this link. After that, you will see a list of countries available for here. For example, you are a Malaysian student, then click on Malaysia. Here you will see the programs open for your country. You can click on this. This program is open for bachelor, masters and doctoral degree. For every country, apply procedure is different. In some countries you can apply online, but in some countries you have to apply through your US embassy in your country. This is the Fulbright website for Malaysian students. They can apply here. This is undergraduate scholarship, global undergraduate exchange programs, and also the scholarships are available here. They can simply apply by embassy. These are the other countries in Europe. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon button to get the latest updates from our channel.